Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you could get unlimited access to thousands of ebooks for free. So let's get started. So first what you're going to do is in your search bar you're going to type in Z library. It should be the first option in your search. Go ahead and click on that link. This is the Z library homepage. You're going to click on books from here. So once you get to this section, it gives you the option of browsing through the most popular books at the moment, or you can search for a specific book. So, for example, let me search for 1984. Okay, so from here it gives me my search results. And what I'm going to do is, as you can see, uh, it also gives you different editions. So you can choose the edition you want, as well as choose your option for language. I'm just going to stick with English, and this is the 2002 edition. Okay, so I can download as an ebook or choose to convert it into a different file. You can also choose to send it to a Kindle. You would have to upgrade your account to premium, meaning you would have to make a donation to the site. Um, so from here, I'm just going to click download. It should show up in my downloads. Once it's done, I can open the book and start reading. So some things to point out, you can choose to register, but you do not need to. Um, if you would like to remain a guest on the site, you get 5 daily downloads. But if you register with your email, you get all these options here. And if you choose to contribute to the site, you get these options here. And that's how you get free unlimited access to thousands of ebooks. And that's it. Thanks for watching.